Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a Google Map onto your web page on Wix. So basically I just have a plain template and some random IT consulting service template just so I can show you guys. Usually when you would add like a Google Map, it would be kind of the location of your business, if this is kind of like a business or a restaurant, and you'd probably put it towards the end of your web page, towards the contact us or your address. So I'm just going to put it towards the contact us on this specific template. So there's a lot of blank space right above the contact us part on this template. So it's the perfect spot to add a Google Map. So what I'll do is I'm clicked on my template, the space I want it in, and I go over to our edit, like the toolbar, and I'm going to go on to the add. And then once you click add, you can see a whole bunch of fun different options to add to your web page. So that's a really cool feature on this on Wix. Sorry, I cannot speak. But what I want is for you guys to click more. And once you click more, you can find Google Maps. You can just find a whole bunch of different stuff you can add onto your webpage. So I want to move Google Map. So I'm going to click a random one. And it's somewhere in New York. And that's not what we want. Let's say our location is on campus at WU. So I want to change the address so it reflects my actual location. So all I'll do is go on change address. And I'm just gonna put the Western Oregon campus address just so it's simple. So and then I'm just gonna change the description of what I want it to show. I don't want it to say Wix office, I just want it to say WU. And then you click enter, and then next thing you know, my Google Map has now reflected exactly what I put in my address, and it's there on campus. So that's a really cool feature on Wix. So you can add a Google Map, show exactly your location, so that when people view your site, they can see exactly where it is, and then maybe even potentially get a link to your address, and just so they know where they're going. So there you go. Hope that's helpful to anyone who would like to use it.